Hey everyone, it's Kara. So today I have another Scentsy haul, of course. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Also, I'm wearing my mermaid shirt I got in Beaufort, North Carolina, because we went to the beach on Friday and it's Monday right now. So we went to the beach for the day on Friday, and I thought I'd wear this shirt because this haul is kind of beachy themed. So the first things I got was the laundry bundle, and this came with the laundry liquid in Driftwood Bay. You're probably not going to be able to see that because of the glare. It's Driftwood Bay, so laundry liquid, and it came with 2 tubs of the washer whiffs. So you see that Driftwood Bay and the other one. So I really love the laundry stuff. We use it every week, so we go through it pretty quickly. So that one is supposed to have like a oceany, like sea salt, driftwood type of smell. And then I got the counter clean in Driftwood Bay. So I use this to clean the kitchen, clean the bathrooms. This is pretty much good for anything. I got the bath bomb in Endless Sea, which is sea breeze, airy musk, and linen sailcloth. That's the description on the front. So these are what our bath bombs look like. They come in wrapped up in like plastic so they don't break. So I got the bath bomb. You can kind of smell it. Yeah, it's definitely like a sea salt, beachy smell. So I got the bath bomb and the Scentsy soak. So you just throw like a scoop of this in your bathtub. I got a 6-bar bundle. I'm wearing long sleeves, but it's like almost July. So I got 2 bars for my sister because I used hers for samples and I told her I'd rebuy them. So we got My Dear Watson. It's just like a manly scent. And we got Mystery Man. I personally like Mystery Man better because it has more of a cologne scent. And then I got 4 toasted marshmallow, if I can. So I got 4 of these. And this is basically, like I said in my last video, it's basically Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works in Scentsy form. Yep, it's Marshmallow Fireside. So the last thing I got is a whiff box, which they have whiff boxes every month. You can buy them separately or you can have a subscription. I don't have the subscription. I just buy them whenever I feel like it. I bought this one mainly because there's a thing going around with Scentsy right now for their 15-year anniversary with the golden tickets, and you can get free product if you get a golden ticket, kind of like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. So I've seen some of the people get the golden tickets, and they've been some really good prizes, like a whole diffuser with like all the oils and a year's supply of whiff boxes, and like they've had some like really good, outrageous prizes. So I was hoping I would get a golden ticket, but I did not. But I figured I'd show you guys anyways. So this is the whiff box for June. So it comes with this like little pamphlet that has the products listed. No, it just has, there's like little deck cutouts for something. And then it has are single-use wax cups, how to use, and it's just explaining about the whiff box. So then we have the tissue paper, and it all comes like packaged up really nicely. Like there's this stuff in it, so nothing will break. So we have the dish soap in Driftwood Bay, which I'm really excited about this because I did not order the dish soap. We have the body wash in Endless Sea. I ordered this last time and I gave it to my sister, so I'll probably keep this one for myself. So Endless Sea body wash. We have samples of the laundry liquid and Scent Soft in Go-Go Mango. So these are our laundry samples. I'll take the rest of everything out first. Alright. So we have the wax samples. One is Tropic Tango, and this one is in our current spring and summer catalog, and this is the scent of the month for July. This is called Summer Rain, which I'm not going to open this yet because I haven't got my consultant box yet for this, and I want to be surprised. And then we got 3 wax bars, which are Gone Camping. I am not a fan of this bar. I'll be straight up honest with you guys. I made like samples for this the other day for a client, and I like it better when it's warming, but like in the clamshell, I do not like it. I think it smells like rubber or like car tires or something. It's not as bad this time as it was like initially, and I think it's the fact that I'm used to it now since I've warmed it. This one doesn't smell as bad as when I first smelled it. When I first smelled it, it's, like I said, it smelled like rubber. This one still has, I don't know, it's just a weird scent to me. I really don't like this scent. We have another Toasted Marshmallow. And the last bar, and this is the last thing in this whiff box, is, that's my sister's dog in the background. This is the scent of the month for June, and this is called Squeeze the Day, which I love this one. If you love lemons, like really love lemons, this is a perfect scent. I made some samples of this like all month long, and every time I make samples in my kitchen just because like if I make a mess it's easy to clean up. This made my like entire downstairs smell like lemon for days, which is amazing because I didn't even use that much. So this is a really good scent, and I love lemon scented things. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon. That's Riley in the background. Yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone.